I'm here with my Aroma Whatever Pot and this Butternut Squash Blend from Aldi. Let's check it out. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. So I was in Aldi the other day and I saw this Season's Choice Butternut Squash Blend and it looked really interesting. In fact, it was almost completely sold out. There were only like 2 or 3 bags of it left. And what this is, it's butternut squash and spinach with red onion and cranberries in a garlic herb sauce. So this sounds like a really interesting side dish for Thanksgiving dinner. So one of the first things I always do is read the ingredients. And here are the ingredients. They are butternut squash, spinach, red onion, water, canola oil, dried cranberries, which are cranberry sugar, sunflower oil, garlic, salt, red chili, parsley, rice starch, and thyme. And this says it's a product of Belgium. To be totally honest, I wasn't happy that it has canola oil in it because I normally try to avoid that. But other than that, it did look really interesting and it looks like a healthy Thanksgiving side dish. I'm going to cook this in my whatever pot, so I have this heating up on medium-low. The instructions say to preheat the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil, add the frozen contents of the bag in the preheated pan, and heat during 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat while stirring in between. So I'll increase the temperature to medium on this pot. This is a 16-ounce bag and it says that it contains 4 4-ounce servings, so 4 side dish servings. The pan is heating up. I'm actually going to spray it with some olive oil. There's a little bit of smoke. Pan might be a little bit too hot. So I'm going to take the vegetables and pour them in. I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to cover that and let it cook for 6 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes and I want to give this a stir to just kind of move things around. It smells really good. Like really, really good. It has been 6 minutes. So let's give this a stir. I don't think it's done yet. So I'm going to put the cover back on and cook it for at least another minute. It's been another 2 minutes. I'm turning the pot off and I think these are done, but I'm going to test it to make sure that they're done. I'm going to just grab a piece of squash. I'd actually like this cooked a little bit longer, so I'm going to shut this and cook this for like another 2 or 3 minutes. It's been another 2 minutes and now I'm going to test a piece of squash. These are definitely done. Here is the butternut squash blend after it has cooked. I think it looks really pretty. Lots of different colors going on here. We can clearly see lots of greens, the orange from the butternut squash, and some red from the cranberries. And I could even see the onions. So let's give this a taste. I'm trying to get a little bit of many different things here. That's very good. I'm definitely tasting some sweetness from the cranberries, since that's the only thing in here that has sugar. Although the butternut squash itself could be a little bit sweet. For some reason, these greens are not reminding me of spinach. But there's also a little bit of parsley in here, but to me, this tastes more like, I don't know if it's like Swiss chard or some other kind of green. It could just be the red onion that's throwing me off. Maybe I'm tasting the red onion. But this is really good. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but I believe it was less than $4. It's in their frozen food section. And I think this would make a really nice holiday side dish. In fact, I could easily turn this into a full meal for myself. If I had some rice to this and maybe some white beans, it would be so delicious as a full meal. It's very flavorful. I really like the seasonings. This only has 280 milligrams of sodium, which isn't too bad. Sometimes when you buy blends like this with sauce, it's just too salty, but this isn't. I'm also not getting like a horrible aftertaste from it or anything. So I think this is a nice, festive, and healthy side dish. The cranberries work so nice with the rest of the ingredients, and all the ingredients work so well together. So this is actually something that I would buy again. I wish they used olive oil instead of canola oil, but that's not going to be a deal breaker for me, especially if this is only something that I consume occasionally around the holiday time. So that is my review of this Season's Choice Butternut Squash Blend from Aldi. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more Aldi food reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.